The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Residents who live in New York City are being asked to shelter in place immediately or evacuate. A large explosion happened in the Manhattan area of New York City. It is believed that this happened due to a bunch of people hugging this person named REICHTANGLE. He's from the fury of a pollen ball. All of Manhattan is destroyed and buildings are falling. If you live at least a 10-mile radius of Manhattan, must shelter in place. If you're a 5-mile radius, evacuate to the nearest shelter possible. Thank you for listening to this alert, and we hope all of you guys stay safe.